Nigga act real quick. What you say?
Oh yeah, my bet. Remember the bet?
What bet, nigga?
Oh yeah, remember the bet?
What bet?
We do Las Vegas rules. You always pay.
Las Vegas, you tripping, bruh.
No. What do you guys remember this car? Said, oh, you made a $7.
Hell nah.
Nigga,
you tripping.
The 49ers lost, but if the 49ers win, they be here to collect though one day. See, that ain't right. That ain't right.
Nigga, you left the day we betted, nigga. You left, nigga.
Leave where?
You left.
Oh, at this parking spot?
Yeah, you dipped. You dipped
The
that.
parking spot, the bet's off. Well, come on.
Nah, you best off. You dip. You dip. You dip. You dip.
Right.
Well, you should never. You should never.
The bet is not good.
Well, you should never left. You should never left.
I go to the bet, then it's a different story. Then it's
Yeah, you know.
right. What you all do, it's okay.
Yup. Bitch ass nigga.